Okay, my name is Amar Ahmed and I'm 30 years old. A couple of years ago, I was suffering from a cough, a dry cough. There was no phlegm, no mucus, it was just a dry cough. And it was very irritating. When it started, it just resulted in a bout of coughing for about 15 seconds, very uncomfortable, difficult to sleep. I went to the GP and I was prescribed one bout of antibiotics. I completed the course. Unfortunately, there was no relief. Revisited the GP again. I was then prescribed a second bout of antibiotics and also was given an inhaler, salbutamol, in order to relieve the symptoms. There was still no relief. I then visited the GP a third time. I was sent for a chest x-ray which showed that my chest was clear, and I went and saw Mufti Qazi Hassan Raza Sahib, who is a qualified homeopathic practitioner. I explained the history and the symptoms and the medicine that I was prescribed prior to visiting him, and I was provided with some tablets and I was told to take them tablets, which I did, and thankfully there was a complete recovery. So in short, the service provided by the clinic before, during and after the treatment has been absolutely exceptional, and I have full confidence in recommending them to anybody who requires alternative medication and or advice.